Hey Dekoni fans! Today let's take a look at the Audio-Technica AD-900X and how to change its pads. First, you want to grab it from the inside and pull just the inner stretchy fabric out from this little baffle here. Comes off pretty easily. Alright, now there's an easy way to tell which is the left sheepskin pad. So you'll see here that there is a white line indicating the left side pad. So first we're going to attach this one, and you want to find the seam, and the seam goes towards the front of the ear cup. Then I like to attach the wider part at the back into this thicker part of the baffle here, because that's the hardest part and it will be harder to do later. So first you work it in between that sandwich of plastic layers, and you work your way around the cup, making sure to hold it so that it doesn't slip out. Undo your progress. Just get a little bit at a time into this little seam here. Yeah, it'll seem hard, but you'll get it. You'll get it. Just keep working it in. See, not so bad. Last little bit here. Tuck it in. Oh, come on. Yeah, there you go. Now just double check that everything is lined up right, seam down, and then that's it. Just put on the right ear pad. All right, looking good.